Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Classroom. If you want to make a YouTube short that goes viral, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the essential tips and tricks to create shorts that can skyrocket your channel's views and engagement. And if you're into AI, content creation, and growing on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like these. Let's jump right in with step 1. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. When it comes to shorts, attention spans are short, so you've got to grab viewers instantly. Start with a bold statement, an interesting question, or something unexpected. For example, instead of saying, "Here's how to grow on YouTube," try, "Want to make a viral short in minutes? Here's how." You want to make sure viewers feel like they have to keep watching. Think about what would make you stop scrolling and start there. AI tools like ChatGPT can even help you brainstorm catchy hooks if you're stuck. Step 2. Keep the pace fast and engaging. YouTube Shorts thrive on quick, snappy content, so avoid long explanations or slow sections. Use rapid cuts, add captions, or even include a little text animation to keep the energy high. AI tools like Descript can automatically add captions or help you cut out dead space, making your short look and feel fast-paced and professional. By trimming out any fluff, your short will be more likely to keep viewers watching until the end, which is crucial for the YouTube algorithm. Step 3 is all about leveraging trending sounds and hashtags. Just like TikTok, YouTube Shorts can benefit from using popular audio and relevant tags. Head to the Shorts feed or use AI trend tools like Trend Talk or VidEQ to find sounds and hashtags that are performing well. For example, if you see a popular sound on the Shorts feed, try incorporating it creatively into your content to reach a larger audience. And don't forget to add a few strategic hashtags in your title or description, like 𝐼RShorts or 𝐷AR_Viral_Tips, to increase your reach. Step 4 is crucial. Include a strong call to action, CTA. If you want people to subscribe, comment, or like, make sure to tell them what to do. It can be as simple as "Subscribe for more tips like this," or "Comment below with your favorite hack." You'll be surprised at how many viewers engage just because you ask them to. Ending your short with a CTA gives viewers a reason to take action, which can help boost your engagement and grow your channel. Bonus tip: test and refine your strategy. Not every short will go viral, and that's okay. Look at your analytics to see which shorts perform best and try to replicate what works. Maybe it's a specific type of hook or style of editing. Use those insights to create even better shorts going forward. All right, let's recap. To make a viral YouTube short, you need to hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, keep it fast-paced, use trending sounds and hashtags, include a strong CTA, and continually test and refine your approach. If you're ready to start creating viral shorts, hit that like button and subscribe to the AI Classroom for more insights on using AI and smart strategies to grow your channel. Let me know in the comments what type of short you want to try next. Thanks for watching, and good luck going viral.